Now, a young woman that is having sex and is feeling dryness of the vagina may be due to what is called poor foreplay, because it is expected that a man and a woman that are engaging in sexual activity should have adequate sexual foreplay, in order for the woman to have good lubrication, so that the vagina of the woman can secrete enough fluid for penetration to go on smoothly. Whereby that does not occur, the insertion of the penis into the vagina can. Why am I having painful sexual intercourse? Doc, why is it that anytime I'm having sex, I will always feel pain during sex? What is the cause? So in this video, we're going to be discussing everything concerning causes, the possible and the major causes of painful sexual intercourse, and what you can do about it. If this is the first time of joining, my name is Dr. Chidebere, and on this channel, we discuss about health issues, importance of exercise, and other relating issues within our society. I want you to kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime we're posting any videos concerning health issues, you'll be able to get our videos. And then remember to turn on your notification button at the same time. Thank you as you do the needful. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So you're welcome back. Now, in painful sexual intercourse, there are different causes. However, they are divided into three parts: the entry causes, the deep causes, and the emotional causes. Just as you know that sex is divided into different phases. Sex is divided into first phase, which is otherwise known as the penetration or the entry phase. Now, the deep phase and the emotional phase of sex. Now, concerning the entry causes of painful sexual intercourse, there are about 5 causes of it. You have the infective part, which I have discussed in one of my videos. Now, in one of my videos, I talked about causes of vaginal discharge, especially the abnormal vaginal discharge. Now, in the causes of vaginal discharge, I talked about infective causes. Now, any of those infective causes of abnormal vaginal discharge can cause a woman to have what is called painful sexual intercourse. So in my description box in this video, I'm going to place a link with that previous video concerning vaginal discharge, so that you can go there and watch the video to learn about the abnormal vaginal discharge. However, for the interest of this video, we want you to understand that bacterial vaginosis is one of the causes of infective abnormal vaginal discharge, and this can give you painful sexual intercourse, as well as vaginal candidiasis. These two major things can give you painful sexual intercourse. The second one is what is called vaginal dryness. Now, there are many things that can cause a woman to have vaginal dryness. For instance, a woman that has reached the age of 45 or going to 50 is likely going to be having vaginal dryness because of hormonal imbalance, not emotional issue in this instance. Now, they have what is called low secretion of estrogen. Now, estrogen itself is a biochemical substance, a hormone that our body will need, especially women will need, for lubrication of their vaginal tract or their reproductive system. So if it is in low amount, especially during menopause, the vagina will be dry, and that can cause such a woman to have vaginal dryness. Now, a woman that is young, a young lady that is having vaginal dryness, may be because of hormonal imbalance, which can be because of several or different factors. Do you understand? That is why it's important that you watch this video, so that you can know what is happening to your system and know what to do for yourself. Now, a young woman that is having sex and is feeling dryness of the vagina may be due to what is called poor foreplay, because it is expected that a man and a woman that are engaging in sexual activity should have adequate sexual foreplay, in order for the woman to have good lubrication, so that the vagina of the woman can secrete enough fluid for penetration to go on smoothly. Whereby that does not occur, the insertion of the penis into the vagina can cause friction, and that can cause the woman to have serious pain. Do you understand? So now, a woman that has had what is called first pain is a situation whereby a woman, because of her first experience, she felt pain when she was having sex, maybe first sex of her life, that can cause the woman to have vaginal dryness in subsequent sexual activity due to fear, anxiety issue. We are also, I will make it to understand that emotional factors, they are on their own, but they can also cause a woman to have vaginal dryness. Then a woman that is on drug, for instance, chemotherapies that are used for cancer issues, for instance, ovarian cancer or uterine cancer, can cause a woman to have vaginal dryness. Do you understand? Because they can cause the shrinkage, atrophy of those walls, and that can result in dryness and causing painful sexual intercourse. A woman that is also on radiotherapy because of any of those cancers, both cervical and whatever cancer that the woman is having, or for any other reason, can have vaginal dryness as well. A young girl that is on birth control, a young woman rather, that is on birth control, for instance, combined oral contraceptive drugs, can have vaginal dryness because some of those drugs, they contain estrogen that inhibits the production of estrogen in the body, and that can result in vaginal dryness as well. A woman that is on antihistamine, something like cimetidine, loratadine, because of upper respiratory infection, because this drug, they cause decreased production of vaginal fluid. Of course, it affects other parts of the system that can result in that can result in vaginal dryness, resulting in painful sexual intercourse. A woman that has pain, has trauma in the vaginal tract from episiotomy or from any other reason, can have painful sexual intercourse. Maybe if there is anything, something like wound or anything, there is a trauma to that region, to the vagina, resulting in wound. That ulcer in that area, maybe cervicitis or vaginitis, anything that is not infective in this instance, can cause the woman to have pain while she's having sex. Now, I have made a video concerning circumcision. Now, circumcision in women is called vaginal female genital mutilation. Female genital mutilation is a known cause of pain during sex. That is why it is not good to circumcise a woman, because they can have pain during sex, and that is a complication, one of the complications of female genital mutilation. I have made a video concerning female genital mutilation. I'm going to also place a link concerning female genital mutilation in this video, so that you can go and watch it and see the different part of a female reproductive system as well. Now, if a woman have what is a syndrome that they call vaginismus. Now, vaginismus means spasm of the vaginal wall. That can happen in any woman, maybe because of stress, maybe because of any other reason, that can result in painful sexual intercourse. Then there are some women that have what is called poor development of their vaginal tract. It is usually a congenital issue. So some of these women, so most of them, they are going to have painful sexual intercourse because of the poor development of their female reproductive tract. You understand, especially the vagina itself. That can cause them to have serious pain while they are having sex. So these are the 5 major causes of early part or entry part of a painful sexual intercourse. Now you now have the deep part or deep causes of painful sexual intercourse. You have also an infection there. For instance, if a woman is having what is called pelvic inflammatory disease, in one of my videos, I made a video concerning PID, that's the pelvic inflammatory disease, the causes of pelvic inflammatory disease. So I'm going to place a link in this video so that you can go and watch and learn about PID. But for the benefit of the video, if a woman has what is called gonorrhea or chlamydia in the system, that can result in painful sexual intercourse. Of course, these are the things that are called a PID, that is pelvic inflammatory disease. So you can go and watch the video. It's in my description button as I'm talking to you right now. Now, if a woman has fibroid means growth in the uterus of the woman, smooth muscles growth in the uterus of the woman. If that happens, that woman can have pain when she's having sex. Of course, they say that nature abhors vacuum. If a woman has what they call late pregnancy, whereby at the age of 24, 25, 26, a woman is not yet pregnant, the likelihood that are going to happen is that the uterus of the woman will start producing fibroid, that is those smooth muscles, and then that can result in also painful sexual intercourse. If there is a disease like called endometriosis, endometriosis means that the inner lining of the womb, that is of the uterus itself, is growing in any other part of the body. If that happens in a woman, that can cause that woman to have pain while she's having sex, especially deep pain, and that pain can occur in any part of the body, any part where that substance or that uterine lining is that can cause that woman to have pain. That's endometriosis. If a woman have what is called urinary tract infection, UTI, especially cystitis, the woman can have pain when she's having sex. Urinary tract infection is a known cause of painful sexual intercourse, especially the deep painful sexual intercourse. So these are the causes, the major causes of deep painful sexual intercourse. Now, concerning the emotional part of painful sexual intercourse, you have what is called anxiety. Just as I said before in the penetration phase, if a woman is anxious, she's likely going to have poor secretion of estrogen, and that can result in vaginal dryness, resulting in painful sexual intercourse. If a woman is depressed, she's not happy, maybe because of marital issues, she can also have pain while she's having sex. If woman is afraid because of one or two reasons, maybe the way the husband is treating her, or because of relationship issues, she can also have pain while she's having sex. If there is no cordial relationship, there is poor intimacy problem between the husband and wife, or between both sexual partners, of course the woman is likely going to feel pain because she's not going to be relaxed while she's having sex with the husband. Of course, I talked about stress. Now, stress in women cause them to have, if a woman is having stress, it causes them to have what is called spasm of the pelvic muscles. That can result in painful sexual intercourse. If there is previous sexual abuse, a woman that was raped in the first instance because she was not prepared then, subsequent sex, she's likely going to be afraid, and that can result in painful sexual intercourse as well. So these are some of the causes of painful sexual intercourse. And then I want to thank you for listening, and I wish that you use this opportunity to subscribe in case you have not subscribed to this my YouTube channel, and then turn on your notification button so that anytime I'm placing a video concerning health issues, you'll be one of those that will benefit and get my videos. Thank you so much for listening.